Welcome, artists and art enthusiasts, to part 2 of our character design series. If you've made it this far, then you survived the first round of character design boot camp. Way to go! Now that you know the basics, we're going to jump right into the first of the 4 tenets of the character design process: shape language. Shape language isn't like a square speaking Spanish, so stop thinking that. Shape language is a design concept that involves using basic shapes to convey meaning in a design. If you think about your basic shapes, we'll be focusing on triangles, squares, and circles, you know that they all give off a different vibe. Triangles can be sharp, pointy, and a bit scary. Squares and rectangles seem solid and strong, and circles seem safe, soft, and cute. By applying these ideas into our character designs, we are able to better showcase our character's true personality, just by the way they look. Shape language can also be applied to inanimate objects like landscapes, buildings, and vehicles, but for now, we'll focus on animate beings. Let's look at some examples. Remember the scene girl from our first video? She'll be the test subject again as we explore shape language. So here are 3 sketches I drummed up for this video, with each of the drawings representing a different shape: circle, square, and triangle. Please, hold your applause. I know she's beautiful. Immediately, you can see the similarities and differences between the 3 variations of the character. If we base her design on a circle, we see from her hair to her shoes, soft round forms. Her hair almost looks like some crazy goo spilling over her head. Her eyes, nose, ears, and mouth are all round. Her hoodie? Soft and round. Hands? Soft and round. Even her ripped jeans have round elements. The only thing to make her rounder would be, whoa, oh gosh, go back. Phew. Anyway, the same idea prevails in the square and triangular designs. From her head to her toes, her respective shape is presented throughout. As I said earlier, artists use shape language in order to convey a specific meaning in a design. A character with round shapes is automatically deemed more trustworthy and safe to be around. Characters like Eve, Russell, and Luca all have round shape language. A square character might be well-grounded or stubborn. Some well-known examples might be Wally, Carl Fredricksen, and Massimo. Triangular characters are typically edgy and villainous. Good examples of that are Scar, Charles Muntz, and Bill Cipher, who is literally an evil Dorito. You did it! You broke shape language down to its bare essentials! And really quick, on the topic of villains, Charles Muntz is an excellent example of a subtle triangular character design, because his character had to go from trustworthy to downright evil without drastically changing the design. His shape language isn't as dramatic as Carl's, but if you break down his design, you'll notice that he is basically one big triangle, one big blob of evil. Blech. Shape language should also be present in their silhouette. Silhouettes are usually the first step in designing a character after the initial idea is hatched. They should be strong shapes that will clue you in to personality, gender, occupation, anything really. We'll go more in depth about silhouette in our attitude video for this series. But that's about it for today. I hope this newfound knowledge was helpful to you in your quest to become a master character designer. See you next time, and get inspired. Bye!